Hi, my name is Rob Rowello, and I'm the Vice President of Global Client Value Programs here at Oracle. And for the next couple of minutes, I'm going to go over a very exciting new program we're offering called Oracle Imagine. To set the context, it's fair to say that the adoption of new and emerging digital technologies has accelerated at a rapid pace over the last couple of years. The numbers don't lie, and companies are rethinking their IT strategies, accelerating digital initiatives, and prioritizing new products and services to generate new revenue streams. The main drivers for this transformation are experiences. To create optimal experiences, future state IT strategies need to be interconnected, context-aware, insightful, and pervasive. In response to these changing market dynamics, we've created Oracle Imagine, a zero-cost, risk-free strategy workshop to help you discover new possibilities and use cases to transform your business. During your 2 to 4 hour virtual Imagine workshop, you will work with Oracle experts to reflect on your business strategy, learn from industry and technology experts, identify new use cases and business models, explore transformational opportunities, and identify priorities for your future success. As an output of the workshop, you will receive a summary highlighting the insights and use cases covered during this session, as well as recommendations for next steps. In preparation for your Imagine workshop, we ask that you bring your C-level executives, line of business leaders, and IT decision makers that are well-versed in your business and IT strategy. On our side, we'll bring industry gurus, technology experts, and professional services facilitators to guide a collaborative, thought-provoking, and engaging workshop. Don't take our word for it. We've performed numerous Imagine workshops for businesses of all sizes in almost every industry. Let us help you discover what's possible. Thanks for listening in. To request your own Imagine workshop, please send an email to the email address below. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.